Welcome to Data Science, Deep Learning, and Machine Learning with Python. I'm your instructor, Frank Kane, and I spent 9 years at Amazon.com and IMDb.com building and managing some of their best-known features. Product recommendations, people who also bought, top sellers, and movie recommendations at IMDb. All of these features required applying data mining and machine learning techniques to real-world data sets, and that's what this course is all about. I don't need to tell you that data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are the most valuable technical skills to have right now. These fields are exploding with progress and new opportunities. I went and studied real job requirements for real data scientist jobs at the biggest tech employers and distilled those into the topics you'll learn in this course. For every algorithm, we'll approach it from a practical, applied standpoint and give you some actual Python code to run so you can see it in action and refer to it later. And you'll be given challenges all along the way to apply what you've learned yourself. This course is really comprehensive. We'll start with a crash course in the Python programming language and a review of basic statistics and probability. But then we've got about 70 different topics to cover in data mining, AI, and machine learning, including Bayes' theorem, regressions, clustering techniques, experimental design, decision trees, and much more. And we'll build real neural networks using TensorFlow and Keras. Some topics are pretty fun. We'll actually implement a movie recommendation system using actual movie ratings data. We'll create a spam detection system using Bayesian methods. We'll create a search engine that works with real Wikipedia data. We've got a whole section on how to scale up to big data on a Hadoop cluster using Apache Spark, and we'll do handwriting recognition and sentiment analysis using a variety of artificial intelligence techniques. We'll basically build our own little artificial brain. If you're a software developer or programmer looking to land a career in data science or machine learning, this course will teach you today's hottest skills without a bunch of intimidating mathematical notation. We'll turn concepts right into code using Python with no nonsense and no academic pretense. Maybe you're just curious about how deep learning works. You'll come out of this course understanding it. It's not as hard as you think. All you need is some prior coding experience or scripting experience to be successful in this course. The general format of this course is to introduce a concept using some slides and graphical examples. Then we'll look at Python code that implements the concept on some real or fabricated data. You'll then be given some ideas on how to modify or extend the code yourself in order to get some hands-on experience with each concept. The code in this course is provided as an IPython notebook file, which means that in addition to containing real working Python code that you can experiment with, it also contains notes on each technique that you can keep around for future reference. If you need a quick reminder on how a certain technique works, you'll find this an easy way to refresh yourself without rewatching an entire video.